update, my people. Not be smart thing, no. I beg, make una carry una jokote sit down. Come listen to this one, no. Not be only waiting my ear go. Here, some people they call this guy, say this guy na antichrist, different friendly night that they call and make una come listen whether waiting this guy they talk, whether he dey right or not. Before I go leave una, my first greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If you're my returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if now your first time you are crossing this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Okay, guys, make una regade.
Why Christian hate a Muslim? Why? Why a Muslim hate a Christian? Why? Why Christian and Muslim hate a herbalist? Why? That is what you don't know. Who are you? What is your mission in this world? That is what you don't know. Who is God? Who is devil? That is what you don't know. Some people don't know what he are. Pastor don't know who he is. If you know, if you not fight a Muslim, if you not fight a Muslim, if you not fight a herbalist for not fight a Christian, because you people don't know who you are. This thing I'm about to tell you is only secret society can tell you this. Grandmaster of secret society can know this. Many people in secret society did not know this. That's why people call me king of all star. I'm not becoming a musician. Who is devil? Who is God? You don't know. But you keep firing God, firing devil, firing devil. Who is God? Who is devil? You don't know it. If I tell you that God is a devil, you say no. You may say I'm lying. Okay. Bible let you know Jesus Christ is only begotten Son of God. Bible said that Jesus Christ is only begotten Son of God. Okay, we believe. If Jesus Christ should be only begotten Son of God, who is your father? Oh yeah, come let me clear you something. In the book of Genesis, when God created Adam and Eve, sent them in the Garden of Eden, he showed them everything and asked them to not eat this particular apple. What is that particular apple? Many people still they don't know it, but they are carrying Bible. That particular apple is sex. You should not eat it. I want to clarify you who you are. No insult me after watching this video. I want to clarify you who you are. Okay, let me bring you that one. Let me bring that one down. Okay, let me leave that one first. Clear you who you are. I want to show you who you are. Okay, now you keep on calling God hating devil. You are hating devil. Okay, now God created a man and a woman by the sound. If you don't know who you are, I want to just a little bit. Created a man and a woman and breathed in like this. God transformed himself, enter in you. Who you automatically be? You are a God. Stop searching for God because you are a God. People keep searching for God. Why they are God? God lives in you. Devil lives in you. Devil and God is one. Okay, now when Adam and Eve was in the Garden of Eden, Adam went out. What is that apple God said they should not eat? It says, okay, now because God knows that those things will happen. God is devil. Devil is God. Stop firing one particular. See God and devil. This is God. In this full body now, this is God. They have positive and negative. This right is doing the work of God. This right is doing the work of devil. Where they remain is one human being. This one hand cannot count money. But with supporting of this hand, it will count money. This one leg cannot walk out from your house to your market unless you use stick. Which stick cannot fit you? That is God and devil. Do not misunderstand devil. White man bring devil for us and paint it black and paint white. to Jesus Christ. How are you sure that Jesus Christ is white? That is the problem you don't know. How do you really sure that Jesus Christ is white? Church of 666 Illuminati is in America, but they are white. How are you sure that Jesus Christ is white? You don't know. People will insult me. Your pastor cannot tell you this. Many men cannot tell you this. It's only strong people in secret society. Okay, if God and devil are not one, I want to ask you this question. Why devil is ruling this world now? Winning God. Devil is winning God. Who you create? God, according to you people, when I say God create devil. If God create devil and devil is winning the whole world, even if send Jesus Christ to come and die, and still is winning, this fire is not killing this devil. Who do you think devil is? Means devil have power more than God. God and devil is one. Do not misunderstand it. If you don't understand it, call me, let me lecture you. People call me King of Foster because I teach them what they didn't know. I teach them. If you call me, I will lecture you normal. I will tell you why you supposed kill, why you're not supposed to kill, why you're supposed to make money, why you're not supposed to make money, why you're supposed to make money is compulsory, why you're supposed to make money. And I will show you why many people are poor. And I will show you that it's not meant for anybody to be poor. Why you're not supposed to use Holy Ghost fire? Because your Holy Ghost fire is not working anything. Where they scam you in Bible, I will bring it. And where Muslim is making a mistake, I will bring it. I am untouchable. Me, you see, I am only begotten son of devil. Go to my Instagram page, King of Foster, you see where I put it. Only son of Lucifer, 666. But everything I create in this life. What do you think devil are? In the Garden of Eden. And devil come and meet Eve and ask Eve, please, you see this thing you have? This thing you have, if you do it like this, you understand joy. He preached Eve, he convinced Eve, and they went. He romanced Eve. Eve feel it, and he break Eve virginity. After he break Eve virginity, he have been the first person to fuck Eve. Okay, now Adam come back. Eve now romance Adam the way devil romance him. Eve don't have the mentality because he haven't romanced him before. Then think who they are is just to send me a message. I'll fetch water. I'll do this. You will go this. You will cook. Then think that is who they are. That's why I ask you who you are. So now it's the same God send himself to clarify them who they are. Oh yeah, now devil have sex with Eve. Now Adam can't top his own. After Adam have sex finished, Adam discover, oh, we are naked. How are you sure you are naked, Adam? What makes you know that you are naked? How come you are now naked? Naked you are since it's now you discover. Because they now know who they are. Okay, after everything now, Eve conceive. Who first have sex with Eve is Satan, which then give birth to Cain. That is the son of Satan. So Eve now, Adam now have a give Abel. When Abel and Eve was young, they got to sacrifice to the God. And they said, according to Bible, they smoke. God accept the sacrifice of Abel, leave Cain. And Cain kill Abel. So the generation of Adam have gone. It remained the generation of Abel. Well, the generation of Cain. And Cain keeping producing with her sister. That's why, if I ask you now who you are, Abraham, Isaac them, everybody come for the generation of Cain. So if I ask you now who you are, who will you answer me you are? We are making a mistake. Just a little bit I just want to drop. You are making a mistake. If you really want to call me, if you want to know who I am, call me. Yeah. Image me in my Instagram, King of All Star, or you write I'm son of Lucifer 666. You will see me, both my TikTok. If you want to know who you are, I will teach you. You know who you are. You know why to belong in secret society is good. You know why to do ritual is good. You know why. You know many things you're supposed to know. Respect to all my fans.